Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0011O in color code 005. It's a black color frame. It has a Gucci logo on the side with red and green detailing, and the temples are made out of rubber. This frame is made in Italy, and the serial number is right over here. These are demo lenses stamped with the Gucci logo. Up here, we have the velvet Gucci cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.